So this year, Google's one of the biggest product would be the Pixel Watch, because first and foremost thing, it is kind of Google's first smartwatch, and that too with a very good operating system, and it will be one of the most unique smartwatches around. It is not trying to copy Apple or Samsung in any way. Even though Compal Electronics from Taiwan, who is manufacturing this watch, is also one of the manufacturers of Apple's smartwatches. So yeah, there are going to be quite a bit of similarities. But one thing that we are continuously arguing about, now we have quite a bit of confirmation, is that the Google Pixel Watch will actually have technologies from Fitbit. Now Fitbit, if you don't know, is really good in terms of the health side of the smartwatch. And that's the technology you will also be able to find inside the Google Pixel Watch, and that makes it even more exciting than it already was. Now there are going to be some things that are not the best thing. First and foremost thing, they're going to be only one size, that's what we are hearing. So if you have a big wrist, then yeah, it will look a little too tiny. And on top of that, this watch will also have quite a bit of thicker bezel. So if you have lighter watch face, then yeah, it will look a little odd. But if you go through the Google showcased smartwatch faces, then they look real good, and they really go well with the Android 13 UI. Recently, a Google Pixel Watch retail box was leaked, and there is a proper branding of Fitbit. So that actually confirms that Google will use Fitbit technologies in the health side of the Pixel Watch, which is great. Now the watch will be available in 3 different colors: Obsidian, which is the jet black variant, the chalk, which is the silver variant, and hazel. The hazel color is the rose gold color option. Now if you're thinking, then this is the same color option will be available with the Pixel 7 Pro. If you want to know about that device, something really interesting, I will link down below one video. Now if you are thinking, then yes, Google will sell tons of different watch bands, but they are going to be proprietary. So if you're thinking about that. Now as for the charger, it will be a USB-C to magnetic connector, and it will not be the fastest charging one. It will still offer like a 5-watt charging capabilities, but then again, it's fine. As for the processor, what we have heard is that it will have Samsung's Exynos 9110 processor from 2018. Now, I know that might sound real disappointing, but hey, it's still a smartwatch, and on top of that, there would be a co-processor as Cortex M33, which will handle the energy efficient tasks like always on display or continuous heart tracking. You can expect good battery life out of it, but I'm not going to say it's going to be a great battery life. On the other hand, it will offer about a moderate 300 mAh battery. So the box leak also suggests us that the Pixel Watch is starting to arrive at retail partners ahead of the announcement on 6th of October. So yeah, it was leaked, but I'm gonna say it again. The 6th of October is also gonna be pre-order date of the Pixel Watch, but the release date is still unknown, but it might just be 13th of October, just like the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but we will have to wait and see. Now one interesting thing is that the Google Pixel Watch Obsidian color will feature a matte finish and will be made out of stainless steel. Unfortunately, it will not be available to purchase almost everywhere. It will be very exclusive to a certain country. Now the information was first covered by 95Google in a dedicated article. At least one Pixel Watch color will have more subtle matte finish. And the second thing is that not all the color options will be available worldwide. That will not be a problem considering most of people buy the watches in silver. At least that's what also 95Google also thinks. And on top of that, the silver and the gold color will be available in most of the markets, and the black will be almost the exclusive color variant. Now watches are something that you don't have to worry about because most of people buy in silver, and then they use different kind of bands. So yeah, the bands are the customization options here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How excited you are for the Pixel event, and are you gonna grab the Pixel Watch? And before the outro, here's one big important thing. Trust me, this is the best freaking wallpaper pack I have ever created. This is the Agate Series 3 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack has 18 super high resolution 8K wallpapers custom made for your tablets, laptops, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to check out, or simply visit my website johndavid.com for a lot more than these wallpapers, tech news, and so many stuffs. So yeah, definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.